In this video, we are unboxing Tronxy X5 3D printer. (2020) Aluminum extrusion frames. Micro SD card with a USB adapter. Bearings, timing belt, pulley, frame brackets, and everything. The screw rods will be placed The display came without any enclosed cover, bare bone. The timing belt, a long one. The controller board, it controls everything. Timing belt bracket, and it's made out of plastic. acrylic bracket, screws and nuts, fastener bracket for the rods, the filament holder, PLA filament sample, the brackets to be placed at the Z-axis to hold the heat bed, and finally, last but not least, the power supply.
For the next video, I will do the installation of this 3D printer with some comments from my invited guest. Stay tuned.
Adios!